Hello friends, today I'm going to share you one more indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section search CM Sling Shoot Chris Moody. Add one more indicator for more confirmation, that is Donchain Trend Lomson. Now both the indicators are applied. In the settings of Donchain, make the period 25. When the CM slingshot system indicator turns into green, below that the line is in green. Along with that, Donchian trend indicator is in green. Buy the call. When the CM slingshot system indicator turns into red line, at the above line is red. Along with that, Donchian trend indicator is in red. Sell the call. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.